Good morning, friends. Welcome to Kids Art Circle Time. We have a special guest today. So before calling that special friend, let me introduce myself. As you all know, I am Miss. Yes, I heard you say I am Miss Janvi. And this is our friend. Yes, so let me invite our new friend. Come. Yes, this is our new friend. What's your name?
My name is Pranamya.
Say hi to our friends.
Hi.
Yes, so let's begin with a prayer. So to do prayer, what are we supposed to do, children?
Join your hands and close your eyes.
Yes, so let's start prayer. Asatoma Sargamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. That was a very peaceful moment, isn't it, children? So, children, shall we sing a hello song to our friends?
Yes.
Yes. To do that, we need some colors. They're already arranged. So, let's begin with the song. So, say hello, hello, how are you? Say
Hello. How are you?
how are you today?
How are you today?
You can sing along with me, children, okay? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? Hello too is wearing purple. Hello too is wearing orange. Hello too is wearing brown. How are you today? Hello too is wearing blue. Hello too is wearing green. Hello too is wearing red. How are you today? Hello too is wearing white. Hello too is wearing yellow. Hello too is wearing pink. How are you today? So, let's start with the Days of the Week song. To do that Days of the Week song, what do we need? Pointer. Yes, there is my musical pointer. So today, Sunny is going to show us. Hold this, Sunny. So let's begin with the Days of the Week song. How many days are there in a week? There are
7 days in a week.
You say, Sunny, there are 7 days in a week. Say, there are
7 days
in a week.
in a week.
Yes. Show this. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap your hands. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week.
Days of the week. Days of the week. So, what day is today? Sandy, Viva, tell me what day is today?
Wednesday.
Yes.
Wednesday.
Today is, you show them. Come in. You show them. Today is Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Today is today is Wednesday. What was yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. And what will be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Thursday. Thursday. So shall we sing the days of the week song one more time? Yes. All of you sing together. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 So children, we have finished with the prayer, days of the week song and hello song. So now it's time to wish all those friends who are celebrating their birthday. So let's sing the birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to all those friends who are celebrating their birthdays this week. Yeah. So now it's time to do the activities. So let's start with the fun activities as we have a special guest today. So shall we start, children? Yes. Now Veba and Sannidhi are all set to do the circle time art and craft activity. Today the art and craft activity will be the spiral snake. So let's start with the circle time activity.